Hey y'all, it's Mary and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats. Welcome to my channel. I was sent some beautiful nails by the company MELODYSUSIE. They are a company that's been around since 2009 and they do wholesale and they also do regular selling to the public. So they have a website, you can go check it out. They do all kinds of nails, you know, the gel nails and press-on nails, the UV light kind of nails, you know, all that kind of thing. So they sent an envelope filled with some things. They sent a little brochure, which is very nice. MELODYSUSIE says, discover your perfect nail solution. And this is a product catalog, and it says about us. Founded in 2009, MELODYSUSIE is dedicated to enhancing the nail art experience with a perfect mix of quality and artistry. We integrate fashion, professionalism, health, and environmental consciousness into our products. Today, MELODYSUSIE is a global leader in the nail industry, offering an extensive range of high-quality nail products tailored for diverse users. We are committed to providing the ultimate nail solution and setting new standards in the industry. It says they are loved by 10 million people, and they've been featured in all kinds of beauty magazines and that type of thing. And if you go to the nail salon, it's very possible that your nail salon is using products from this company. So they sent me nail strips. And when they asked me to do this, you know, they wanted to send me different things. And I said that I really have trouble with nails because I can't use the glue. And when you use the glue on a lot of the products, then they have the UV light that you put your nails in. And I said, I'm allergic to that type of stuff, so I really can't do it. But I told them that I recently, you know, had shown some products and did a giveaway. And would they want me to do something like that? And they said that would be fantastic. So they sent me some pictures and let me choose colors. And they sent me easy to use products. So this is the brochure, like I said. They also have in the order, it says, thanks for your order. And then there's information on the back. You can click on that and find out more about your products. And then we have 5 nail strips. Now these nail strips do not have names to them. So I just chose 5 of my favorite colors. They showed me a variety. And the first one is this. I'll show you a package. So can you see that beautiful? It's a beautiful purple. Let me see if I can get the ring light is just right on that plastic. Maybe, let's see, take it out of the package. I don't know if that'll help any. All right, each strip is packaged. It's in a package, so it's protecting it. So I won't be able to take that out of there. But this is a beautiful purple. I don't know if you can see, like a royal purple, and it has glitter in it, and there's lots of sizes, which is great. So you can get more, you can get probably 3, gosh, I don't even know, maybe more than 3 sets of nails out of this. Does it say how many is in a package? I don't think it does, but it says real gel strips with press-on ease. No UV lamp is needed for these, for these. They do have some that you can buy that do use the lamp. They're super durable, effortless application. And what else is in this package is a nail file and a little orange stick to push your cuticles back. And then it tells you on the back how to use it, and their website shows you that as well. So these, like I said, these are beautiful. Let's see, 3, 6, 9, 10, 11, 22. Gosh, there's 22 on this card, and this card has more. So this is one set. So you can use these by themselves like that, or mix and match them with some of the other sets, whatever you'd like to do. I'm gonna put this back in this package so that we don't lose anything, and then I'll show you the other colors. They're beautiful. This is burgundy, a burgundy, very shiny burgundy. Yeah, see, that ring light gets in the way of seeing it very clearly, so I apologize for that. I don't know that you can, anyway, burgundy. So, you know, burgundy and purple, to me, those are good all year colors, or you could do fall, winter colors, whatever you want to do. This is a French nail. So the way that it shows it, you know, of course, when you put stickers on, they'll be longer than your nails, and then you'll file them. You file the ends off. So these are French nails. And like I said, there's no name on the package of the colors. So, you know, you just go by what it looks like. And then we have this beautiful, this is, gosh, it's silver. I'd say it's silver, but being that I'm wearing purple, it's sort of picking up the purple a little bit. But I'm sure whatever you wear, this will pick up what you're wearing. It's beautiful, silver metallic. That's what these all have, a nice shine going on. Not the French nail does not have any glitter in it, but the others do. They're just really, really pretty glitter colors. And then this last set does not have glitter in it, and it's just a really beautiful rainbow set. Let's take that out to see all the colors. Okay, we'll see how this card has 11. So you see the different sizing, the larger sizing. And these are not just stickers, you know, just thin stickers. These have some depth to it. So these are gonna be durable, you know. So beautiful pastel rainbow. And then the other set, look at how many of the little ones there are. So, you know, there's a lot. This would fit a lot of different size nails. And then when you're using these, if, you know, you make your first set, you're gonna use whatever you want. Then your second set, you might not have exactly all the sizing that you need, so you can cut them to fit if you need to, you know, the other ones. So that's just a beautiful set. Pastel rainbow. I love it. I love all the different colors in there. So I'm gonna do a giveaway, and MELODYSUSIE is the name of the company. I'll put their website below so you can check them out. And I also have a discount code if you want to go shopping, and you put in MARY12, MARY12, you will get 12% off your order. These are very, you know, very reasonable. And again, if you don't care for this type of a thing, they have press-on nails that use glue. You can also use stickers. They have the the nails that you cure as well. So they have quite a bit to choose from. And like I said, it's also a professional website. So you will find on there things, if you are, I know that some of y'all, you don't have a shop, but you make nails for friends. So you can buy things from them. And their products are all vegan, which is really nice. So like it's gels, press-ons, nail strips. They have the curing lamps that you might need. They have all the tools, and all the tools, you know, like the scissors and the files and all that, all their tools are super cute, really modern and everything. And they have a huge selection of styles and colors. So you're bound to find something that you'll really like. So again, we have this beautiful metallic gray silver, really, really pretty. I wish you could see the sparkle, but I don't think I can get it up close enough for you to see the sparkle like I see it. It's like a car. You know how a car is metallic? That's what it's like. Maybe that will help. If you can see that better. I love the metallics in it. And they say that they're really durable. And each set comes with that emery board and orange stick. So we have the metallic gray. Sorry about my voice, y'all. And the metallic burgundy. Wait a second. Is that that's the purple, and that's the burgundy. So you can see the difference. You know, burgundy. Let me turn this light off. I see there's so much glare. That's just my overhead lights now, you know, my dining room lights. So the burgundy and the purple. I think the purple's my favorite because I love purple, And then the French nails. See, a lot of that, you know, you'll cut off, but that just gives you the length if you need it. And the rainbow, well, I say that the purple's my favorite, but I love the rainbow as well. So if you'd like to be entered into this giveaway, you have to be subscribed to me. And this will run for 2 weeks from the time I post it. I'll put the dates in the description, so all the rules will be in the description. YouTube has nothing to do with this giveaway. This was sent to me for my own use for MELODYSUSIE, and with knowing that we talked about doing a giveaway, but they are not responsible if this is lost or stolen in the mail. If this causes you any type of problems, allergies, they're not responsible. I'm not responsible. They also sent this cute sheet of stickers. So I'll put all that together. The package that they sent it in was a bubble mailer, and that got damaged. So I'll put this in a different package. And you know me, I'll throw in some sheet masks or something as well. So no one is responsible for this. When I get it in the mail, I'll get you a tracking number, and then we'll get it out to you, and not responsible if you have any allergic reaction. Smudge is so trying to come over. Just come on already. I just have some things right here that he's going to knock over because that's what he likes to do. Come on over. So if you'd like to be entered in this giveaway, say to me, well, tell me that you like the product. That'd be nice. And then tell me which one is your favorite. And you'll get all of them. Whoever, one winner will have one winner, and you'll get all 5 of these sets. I have that one out of the package right now. But you'll get all 5. But tell me which is your favorite. The silver or gray metallic, you can say the rainbow, the burgundy, the purple, or the French nails. Just tell me which is your favorite and that you like them. And then we'll enter you in the giveaway. And because I know some people watch and they don't, they're not necessarily interested in winning. But thank you so much for being here and watching. And thank you so much to MELODYSUSIE for sending me these beautiful products. And it was fun to learn about their company because I do, I haven't in a while, but I do go get I used to always get my nails done. And then I used to go all the time for pedicures. And then that C word happened. So then I stopped going for a while. But I like to pick it back up. It's really good for you. It's something we can do that's not too expensive to take care of ourselves. Is, treat ourselves and feel good. I wear press-on nails, and even though I can't wear these MELODYSUSIE ones, I still like them. I think it makes me feel good. It makes me feel feminine. It makes me feel pretty. And I think it boosts everybody to have their nails done. So y'all take care and count your blessings. So good to see you. And here's Smudge right here. Smudge. Now he's sat down. He sat down. You want to say hello? There's my beautiful Smudge. Y'all take care and count your blessings. Good to see you.